Ang bahaging ito ay hatid sa inyo ng Philippine Sports Commission.
Looking for the best deals? Head to Robinson's Department Store, your one-stop shop for daily essentials and unbeatable savings. Don't miss out. Shop now!
Just recently, I saw you, uploading and having videos na nagtuturo kayo ng volleyball. Active na rin po kayo sa social media.
Natuto ako to the reels and then I can see it, ang daming mga views. So nagustuhan ko na yung social media. Like now, nasa larangan na pala ako ng social media, so hindi na ako natatakot.
Ano po yung naging naisipan nyo at maggumawa kayo ng reels at para mag-upload sa SOCMED?
Actually, in my mind, maybe it's in the first place, hindi. Ngayon ko lang na-realize na I need to share na what the Lord allow me or choose me for a while, for the meantime, na volleyball, pinasikat niya ako sa larong volleyball.
And yung tinuturo nyo po is, ano po, mga estudyante ba to? Or sa church ba to? Or...
ito ngayon na nag-retired ako, nakikita ko rin yung sarili ko na kasi I used to coach yung yung dating school ko na I'm asking bakit ako dito na they're very in academic and then volleyball is just to them. Sabi ko dapat ako sa mga public school, sa mga din na mga bata. I will have to entertain yung mga nangangailangan ng aking expertise, sabihin na natin.
And so far po, I mean, for the last 2 months, tama po ba? 2 buwan na ginagawa nyo to. Ano po yung mga realizations?
My realization, I'm old already, I'm senior citizen. When I can pay back, share these experiences na ako lang siguro ng pinakamatagal naglaro ng national team. 14 years and with that medals. So parang sayang.
And nabanggit niyo na nga po, sa tagal niyong naglaro sa national team, balikan natin ng konti ang iyong journey sa paglalaro. Kailan po ba kayo nagsimulang mag-volleyball?
During my high school, 4 years lang ang high school before. Walang senior high school. So, track and field ako. What I did, parang hindi ako marunong sa probinsya eh. So I keep running, jogging. So yung endurance and stamina ko, it helps a lot pala in everything. The flexibility, kasi matigas ang katawan ko. And then nakaka-tune in ako sa endurance ko talaga.
Paano po kayo na-introduce sa volleyball from track and field?
There was these 2 guys na very interested to me, but I've learned nga type din niya ako daw noon o bakit na mo. So ang nangyari, parang after my training in the track and field, in-invite nila ako. So may bola, old ball, pinapapalo, that was 3rd year high school. I really wanted my dream na I can study in the university. So, ang nangyari, parang wala nang pag-asa kasi hindi kaya talaga ng parents ko. And if you believe the orchestration of the Lord, it is orchestrated talaga ni Lord na ako yun. So, here comes na in the mall na mayroon na akong bibilhin, may nakakita ako, the 2 guys. Barina, sabi niya, saan ka mag-aral? Actually, wala. So, they brought me doon sa school, the University of Southern Philippines. Naka-pantalon ako, naka-rubber shoes, naka-t-shirt, yung athletics attire. Pinapaspike ako ng coach. Nakita niya yung jumping prowess ko. Mataas talaga akong tumalon, even naka-pantalon. Sabi niya, after the practice, i-enroll nyo na yan.
Ang bilis, ganun kaagad ang naging desisyon. And that's when your journey sa volleyball started.
That started. And then, that school champion agad. And then, I really do not know. And then, my parents was recruited to another school, the Southwestern. Kasi the reason of my parents na actually, I really don't want na maglilipat pa ako. So sad with my teammates. Pero ang sabi ng nanay ko, mayroon kasi sila, tsaka tatay ko, basketball player kasi, na mas maraming tournament dito sa school. And at the same time, it's just almost at the back of our place lang.
Malapit lang po talaga.
Ang programang ito ay hatid sa inyo ng Bank of the Philippine Islands. Do more with BPI.
Ang bahaging ito ay hatid sa inyo ng Smart Sports.
Nung lumipat na kayo, nakarating na kayo ng national team, gaano na iba naman ngayong career?
Before the recruitment, I was also lined up to the Ministry of Health because the coach of that school parang extend lang niya sa akin na I am with her, babae. Sinali ako sa National Open. So in the National Open, ako ang youngest, bangko, and then iba yung parang ang tapang ko. During the National Open, ang sabi ko, every time uuwi na ako sa Cebu. Kasi hindi lang naman ako ginagamit dito eh. Kaya, the coach of that Minister of Health, sabi niya, ang tapang ng batang ito. So, siguro lang kung ilang beses lang ako nalaro. Pero gusto ko na talagang umuwi. Parang amaldita ko talaga. So, tinapos, na-challenge ako. I kept running.
Okay. Yung attitude na po, tinatawag po ng Gen Z yan ngayon na uma-attitude ka. Yung ganyang character. Uma-attitude ka. Pero nung nasa national team na kayo at naglalaro na kayo, ano yung mga hindi mo makakalimutan na experience in your journey sa national team?
Sa national team, ako kasing the first year in the national team, I don't know kung anong nakikita ng mga coaches sa akin, assistant captain ball agad ako. Even though na that age, siguro nakita nila yung sense of responsibility. Eldest kasi ako, very responsible talaga din ako. Throughout of my 14 years, that is 7 Southeast Asian Games, ako na ang captain ball. So parang every tryout, every 2 years of tryout, kasi every 2 years yung Southeast Asian Games, parang iba-iba. So the submission of the players to me, it's really impacted to bring the team. Kaya mamati ako.
Okay, mamati. Yan ang tawag sa'yo.
Bisaya kasi kaya matigas, mamati.
Okay po. Nung after nyo ng early 90s or late 1980s, talagang nakikilala yung volleyball team ng Pilipinas when they join international tournaments. So what do you think meron itong Philippine team nung panahon mo nung naglalaro ka pa, Mamati, na we keep on winning itong mga tournaments na to?
Individually, my teammate, kasi magaling ako, imitator ako. Tinitingnan ko mga movement nila, mga ugali nila, ganun ako. Even when they spike, I will look at them. The steps, I will look at them. Ang nakikita ko talagang ang tapang bawat isa. Na pag nasa court, parang wala to kill. Kasi during that time din, it's so hard for us. Kasi we're using the white ball, the leather ball.
Yes.
Kaya pag natatama ang katuliro ka
at
talaga. At hindi
pa rally point noon. Matagal ang laro.
Kaya ang mangyari, if we the ones serving, kailangan namin ma-point. Kasi pag nag-side out, walang point And then, kaya pag pumapalo kami, yun ang tinatawag nila noon. Pag pumalo yan, si Mamati, parang kasama bahay niya. Kasi gusto mo nang mag-point
Yes,
it's totoo.
Kailangan,
And then, the trust of the setter sa akin, parang ang buhay ako. I don't want na only third time lang akong papalo. Ayaw ko na ng fourth.
Ibig sabihin?
Ibig sabihin, binigay niya yung first touch, first spike, then the second one, I will ask that again.
Ulit, yeah.
And then the third one, I will ask that again.
Kung parating,
and then no more na.
Okay, kung parating patay naman at nakakaputos, bakit hindi?
Kasi nakakapagod talaga inside the court.
Sino po yung setter nyo that time?
At the oldest, it's Banchi De Jesus.
Okay.
Oo, tapos
coach
dalawang
ng FEU.
setter naman yan siya Then Femi Hia from UP.
Yes.
And then it was
Tita Fem.
then yung pangalawa na, kasi wala na rin sila, Si Grace Antigua, may kababayan at saka ka-schoolmate ko rin.
If I may ask, bakit kayo nawala sa volleyball, sa eksena ng volleyball?
Yun nga din ang sadness to say, napakaaga ng retirement time ko. So, I was 32 na I can feel it, ang lakas ko pa talaga. My last play is, I was the 48th guest ng Shakespeare.
48 guests? Oh, okay.
48 years old.
Okay.
So, I can feel myself. Just
Still?
like Manny Pacquiao.
Wow.
Naramdaman ko lang naman na humihina ang katawan ko. I was going to 55 years old.
Okay.
Kaya I'm actively coaching doon dyan sa MGC New Life Christian
Anong
Academy.
team mo po, Mama T, nung nag-Shakey's ka?
CSB. Kasi nag-coach ako ng 7
Okay.
years ng De La Salle College of St. Benil. The men's team and the women's team. Nung last year ko, nung 93, may sumisigaw sa akin, laos na yan. Kaya, I always have my preparation. I run. And then, I have my walling here. And then, up and down.
Para ating active pa din.
Active pa rin. Kasi ayokong, I cannot tell the crowd or my mga fans na matanda na ako, hindi na ako nag-ensayo. No.
Kailangan talaga, no? Pakita pa din. Pero paano na po kayo nag-start mag-coach?
Kahirapan. Kasi I decided na Philippine Airlines ako. So, I don't know what's the plan of the Lord. May nag-offer sa akin na isang airline sa Cebu, my hometown. So, I asked my mom, lilipat ako. This is my dream company. Pero hirap. Kasi ako lang din nag-work. So, sabi ng mama ko, go, dito ka na. 2 years lang. So, I was that, 40, parang natakot ako. So, yun nga, pumasok ako ng pro-life. Lahat pinasukan ko na. So, here comes the Lord. Spoke to me. Balibol ka balibol ka. The Holy Spirit, guiding me. Hinanda kita ng volleyball. So, that's the time na parang lumuwag.
Nakabalik po kayo?
Kasi 2 school ang hinawakan ko.
Wow.
Tapos mayroon akong mga private teaching. That's why yun ang product ko, kaya napunta ko sa Ormoc, Juliana, anak ni Richard Gomez, tsaka ni Lucy Torres, nanonood yan sila sa akin.
Ang programang ito ay hatid sa inyo ng Bank of the Philippine Islands. Do more with BPI.
You were praying for, an answer to your questions na nasa volleyball, babalik ka ba sa volleyball ulit? Magtuturo ka ba ulit? And then you were telling me about your offers that you're getting ngayon.
So nakita ko na rin yung sarili ko until the time the Lord will take me home. So I give all my time to volleyball. Actually, so many are suggesting me a volleyball school. So actually, I have the equipments in volleyball. I invested that one. I don't have any sponsor. I have 30 to 50, but that's a plastic ball. I have cart to volleyball cart, volleyball bags. That was about 40,000 of my investment. So, hindi pala volleyball school. So, I will have to share my expertise.
Gaano ba kahirap maging atleta dito sa Pilipinas?
Actually, hindi mahirap at this time Unlike to our time na you have to prove on somebody, show you na, may potential ka talaga. Dito kasi there's always an announcement even in the commercial na there's a tryout so everyone can come. So ayun, yung sa amin kasi mayroon lang nakakita. So I received a telegram before na yung telegram noon na every word may bayad. Na you're invited to join the tryout. Uy, I'm invited to join the tryout. Paano to, ma? Sabi niya, wala tayong ng airplane. Yung noong time pa namin, Bulilit flight, pinaka-cheapest talaga na airplane,
Fair.
So, nag-approach ako sa pinakamatapang kong lolo. Sabi ng lolo ko, kailangan pagbalik mayroong kapalit. natakot ako, hindi ako napapansin. Kasi ang daming mga tinitelegram din noon. So ayun pala, ni-reserve na pala nila ako. Iba lang yung katawan namin. Kasi parang we always wanted na naglalaro. At saka yung namin, karamihan ng Bisaya, very witty, mautak sa laro.
Gaano niyo naman po katingin na gaano kaswerte yung mga players ngayon sa tingin niyo compared to your time before?
Actually, tumating din sa thoughts ko na kung during my time, siguro I'm one of the richest volleyball player. Just like, I will not mention na anymore. Pero, with all that question, the Lord answers me.
And
My
the
own
answer
time.
is?
And the answer is, hindi naman kita pinabayaan. So, this time, I'm not rich, but I really wanted to share, to pay back.
Ang programang ito ay hatid sa inyo ng Bank of the Philippine Islands. Do more with BPI.
Waterproofing o sealant ba ang hanap mo? Sa German technology ng Sista, protektado ka hanggang 10 taon. Yan ang tapal na tatagal.